It's nail day. It's a DIY Ninja nail tutorial. It's been years, but hello, welcome back, welcome back. Make sure to subscribe, follow, do all the things, whatever it is. But yeah, I've decided to do my own nails today because I don't have time to go to the salon and it is quite pricey over there. So I'm going to show you nail girlies how to do it at home, just in case you want the option to do it, okay? So I've already prepped and cleaned my nails. You're going to want to make sure you remove all the oils, dehydrate, and sanitize your nails. I use alcohol pads. I also have acetone wipes, but whatever method, we can do a whole separate video on that later. I've already laid out my my tips here. Today we're going to be doing some, I believe, unicorn chrome nails on clear tips. I'm going to see what that looks like. I've actually never really tested that out. So we may do some gel polish on top just to give it a tint and maybe some glitter. I don't know. I'm a little bit extra. We'll see. I'm just going to wing it. But yeah, I decided to just start filming me doing my nails since I decided to start doing them again. But yeah, we have some short clear coffin tips here. I've already sized them out. And hopefully you can see them. They're clear, so it might be hard to see, but that's why I have a black background here. They're pretty short. But yeah, I'm just basically going to put these on. They're like invisible to me. Those of you new to my channel should know that I am visually impaired, so I do everything by feel. Like I can't really see small details very well, like my fingernails and my fingers look the same, so I can't really tell where my nails start or stop. But I tell you this not so you can be like, oh, whatever, like to feel sorry for me, but to show you and prove to you that if I'm able to do it, you can do it too. All right, so first step is to prep, then size out your nails, and then I'm going to use a peel off base coat, and I'll show you in a second what that looks like. Okay, so I got the peel off base coat on and cured, and now we're going to use this Beetles nail glue gel along with the Beetles what was this, quick flash lamp. It's like motion sense. Well, you'd like touch it and it turns on. So I'm gonna apply the clear tips on this way, and you're just gonna flash cure for about 10 to 15 seconds. I'll show you one nail. Let's see if I can find my nail. Always double check. It's kind of like construction. You want to measure twice, cut once. So I'm going to double check here. So I wipe off the tacky layer on the peel off base, but it's still a little bit sticky. So you can see I can just kind of place it on here and it will still kind of stick. Apply the nail glue gel. A very thin layer again. Make sure I swirl to get any product off the tube of the brush, and then I scrape off one side that I won't be using, and then apply wherever my finger is. We will try. I'll wipe that off later. And yeah, remember to use alcohol wipes to remove any gel that gets on your skin. You're going to want to apply a thin, even layer on all nails. Just going to position it here. You're going to want to go to the cuticle, hold it at an angle for it straight, and just hold it here. And I'm just pressing down. Hopefully there's no air bubbles, though if it is, it's okay. I think the chrome will cover it, but we'll see. No biggie. Okay, so there we go. It's on there. I'm going to do a full cure in my regular lamp. I'm just gonna make sure it's off my skin here. And you can use like a nail file and file it down later. I will file after. So I'm gonna glue on the tips and then I'll be right back. Okay, so after you file and wipe down your nails, you're gonna wanna take a top coat. I'm using the Beetles gel top coat, and I'm going to just put a coat on the nails and cure for only 30 seconds because we're doing unicorn chrome on top of these clear nails. So you want it to be a little bit sticky and tacky for the micro powder to bond to the gel. Okay, so I'm gonna just top coat my nails, cure it for 30 seconds, and then we'll come back and do the chrome. All right, we got the unicorn chrome powder here. I bought this on Amazon. I'll put the link down below if I can still find it. And it comes with this little silicone applicator, which is really nice. So it's not like regular makeup applicator. I don't know why I can't talk today, but yeah, it is a silicone one. I'm gonna just dip. I don't even know if I was in there. I don't know how much I got. I'm gonna tap. This chrome powder is always super messy. So, okay, I'm just gonna rub on here. Did I even get any? Unclear. Unclear, but hopefully. Wait, where is this thing? Alright, that might be a lot. Just want to make sure actually I'm covering the nail. Like, I can't actually see the unicorn chrome, but I know you guys probably can, so I'm gonna do this. Let's see. Did it show? I believe this is clear. This one's clear. This one, I think it worked. I don't know if it did. Let me know in the comments down below. Like, I don't know if it's even application, but when you do this at home, it will be even, okay? I can't even see the chrome, but just knowing it's there. After you get your desired chrome effect, just top coat again, but this time cure for the full 60 to 90 seconds, okay? Okay, this is what the unicorn nail looks like after it is top coated and cured. Okay, I do see it now, just depends on the lighting, but yeah. Isn't that so pretty? All right, I'm gonna finish the nails and then I'll show you the completed look in just a second. Okay, so after I finished doing the chrome, this is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see. It depends on the lighting, but it does color shift and it looks pretty cool in person. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but yeah, I can only imagine it's gonna look so awesome in the sun. I'm gonna just put on some cuticle oil. Rub it in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll rub it in. But yeah, this is the finished look. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, I really do like the way this turned out. Really, really pretty. If you give this nail look a try, let me know in the comments down below, or actually rate this nail look. I'm gonna start filming every time I do my nails, which is probably about once a month, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye!